Hi guys! In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable Instagram Reels monetization. So without further ado, let's start. First, open the app. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Next, tap on Settings. Now, click on Your Account. And then scroll down, and there you'll see Switch to Professional Account. Just click on that. Next, just follow the step-by-step process on how you can switch your account into professional account. Now, click OK. Just complete setting up your professional account. After that, go again to Settings, and then tap on Creator. From Creator, you'll see Monetization Status. Here you'll see you're eligible for monetization. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.